This is the Iowa Weather Report for Friday, January 31st, 2014. And now our first look at the 0Z GFS model run. This is at noon today. We have some energy moving through the desert southwest and Four Corners region. And that'll be lifting out into the plains and Midwest later in the day. And that could be producing some snowfall across the area. You can see some light snow beginning over the southern 2 or 3 tiers of counties, mainly south of Interstate 80 by the noon hour. Highs today in the teens and 20s as clouds begin to increase and the snow begins to develop. This will go through Friday night into Saturday, tapering off Saturday afternoon with some accumulations in the maybe 1 to 4 inch range, and we'll take a look at the probabilities right here. This is the probabilities of seeing at least 2 inches of snow between now and Saturday evening. You can see the better probabilities of 2 inches of snow south of about Ottawa to Webster City to Waverly to Prairie du Chien. Better chances along the southern tier of counties. This is the same probability through Saturday evening of seeing 4 inches of snow. And that looks to be from about Glenwood to Indianola to about Grinnell to Cedar Rapids to about Bellevue. Better chances across southeast Iowa. But when we take a look Sunday, that system is long gone. High pressure moves in. Temperatures drop once again into the single digits and teens for highs. Lows at or below zero once again. Can't get rid of these sub-zero temperatures. Monday doesn't look much better, maybe a degree or two warmer, teens and maybe lower 20s, lows near zero, a couple degrees either side of zero, with mainly sunny skies at that point. But the next storm system is on its way, and it'll be gathering strength here on Tuesday, and that could bring even more snow to the state. The heaviest snow at this point, Tuesday at midday, will be over Kansas into Nebraska, and that'll be sweeping through the state Tuesday night into early on Wednesday. By Wednesday midday, the storm is moving out. The sky's clear, the winds turn northerly, and the temperatures take a tumble back below zero by Thursday morning. And on Thursday during the day, high pressure will be overhead. It'll be clear, it'll be sunny, but it won't feel very nice. Highs maybe in the single digits to maybe a lower teens in the far south and southwestern counties with, as I said, sunny skies. And by a week from today, next Friday, we have another shortwave moving through the desert southwest and a ridge over Florida. And with this flow now coming more out of the west and southwest, that means more moisture will be in these storms. And another storm will begin to gather strength to our south and west, and that could bring some more snow by next weekend across the area. So it looks to get quite active as we move into the month of February. The extended period shows here on the 11th, we still have pretty much a zonal flow, a little bit of a trough over the middle part of the country, not a very amplified one. Some energy moving into the Pacific Northwest, and with that we have a storm there. We have some snowy weather around here with a system trying to gather strength. So even the middle of the month of February looks quite active. And then at the end of the forecast, on the 15th, we have a short wave moving along the east coast. Still pretty much a zonal flow across the country. That's going to keep these systems just continuously moving through fairly quickly. We'll have a storm off the east coast. We'll have southerly winds around here. That may boost temperatures into the 30s if this is right. And another storm over the northwest, but as always, when it's more than 2 weeks out, it's pure speculation. Satellite image from last evening is not speculation. This is the current satellite from last evening. You can see the jet stream bringing in the moisture from the Pacific into the Rockies and Plain States. That's the next storm system. You can see the watch warning map from last evening. Some winter weather issues across the Rockies and the Intermountain West. Some wind chill advisories in the northern Midwest and Plains. And some winter weather issues in the Midwest into the Great Lakes as well. And elsewhere, it's fairly quiet. The QPF chart, precipitation over the next 5 days through Tuesday evening at 6 o'clock, showing the heaviest amounts of precipitation across the Delta region of the Mid-South. Around here, from about nothing in the northwest to maybe about a half an inch of liquid equivalent in the far south and southeastern counties.